You ready for a really good deal that everybody needs? That is a bronzer bundle. This brush right here called the Blush and Bronzer Brush with one of your cream bronzers. Palm, Heat Waves, Bella, and Tan Lines. I love Tan Lines in the winter and Bella in the summer. I'm just gonna take my Blush and Bronzer brush, dip into Tan Lines, and what I'm gonna do is marry the contour and the highlight together, just brushing. And if you've never used cream in your bronzer, you're going to love it. This side, I'm gonna take a little bit of Bella so I can show you the difference. Bella's not quite as yellow. And then I'm gonna place it right in this kind of C area. And what that does is just makes it look like I've been kissed by the sun. Get a bronzer, I promise you, you can go from looking kind of a little pale and pasty to bronzed and glowy, and it's a sweet deal.